Hi, this is John with EGM Promag 300. We're going to change the units of the flow meter. All right, how to change the units of measure on a Promag 300. We're going to hold the negative key and the enter key to get the key lock off. Key lock off. We're going to press enter. We're going to go to setup. We're going to press enter. We're going to go to system units with the plus key. We're going to enter the system units. Here is volume flow of units. This is in gallons. We're going to change it to cc's. So we're going to enter with the enter button. We're going to push the minus button or the plus button to scroll to UC cc's. cc's a minute is what we were looking for. So with that highlighted, we're going to press enter to save that. Now we're going to use the plus key to go to volume units, and we're going to change that one to cc's also. So again, with the plus or minus key, coming with your finger up from the bottom, we're going to go to CM3 for cc's. We're going to press enter to save that. So now we're going to use the plus and minus key to back up one screen, and we're going to scroll with the plus key until we get to advanced settings or advanced setup. Here we're going to press enter to enter there, and we're going to scroll down to display. We're going to press enter there, and now we're going to go down to display dampening 1. Here we will press enter, and we're going to change our decimal place from 2 spots to no spots, so we get a whole number on the cc's. In gallons, we wanted to see the 2 spots after the whole number. Here we don't. So we're going to go to the 1x is no decimal places. We're going to press enter to save that. And now we've changed it. So now with the plus and minus key, we can scroll back to the home page. And now we're back to the home page. And we see cc's a minute with no decimal places.